Fiat's European lineup is notably more diverse than what is available in the United States. Beyond the Fiat 500 and 500X, European customers have access to the Tipo hatchback and wagon, as well as sporty Abarth models like the 600X crossover and the charming Panda. Recently, the Panda family has been expanded with the introduction of the Grande Panda, a larger and mechanically distinct vehicle. The Grande Panda is an addition rather than a replacement for the current Panda, which will continue production until at least 2027, marking its 16th year. True to its name, the Grande Panda is significantly larger than its predecessor. Measuring 157 inches in length, it is approximately 12 inches longer than the third-generation Panda, which debuted in 2011. While still compact by American standards, the Grande Panda is a substantial upgrade. Its increase in size is unsurprising, given that the boxy crossover is essentially Fiat's version of the new Citroen C3 sold in Europe. Despite this connection, the Grande Panda boasts a funkier design, with concept car vibes in a production model. The cheerful Fiat Grande Panda features a pixel motif reminiscent of the Hyundai Ioniq 5. The front LED daytime running lights have a checkered pattern, a theme that is also evident in the taillights. Fiat's design approach, with its emphasis on squares and 90-degree angles, is a refreshing change in an automotive world dominated by curvy lines. The 17-inch wheels with a diamond-cut design feature a central X to complement the light signature at both the front and rear. Plastic cladding around the wheel arches and chunky roof rails give the Grande Panda a rugged appearance. Instead of an old-fashioned badge, the tailgate features an oversized Fiat script debossed into it, with the Panda lettering subtly integrated into the black horizontal strip connecting the taillights. The Grande Panda will be available with hybrid and electric powertrains, likely the same ones used in the Citroen C3. This includes a turbocharged 1.2-liter gasoline engine with 3 cylinders, a mild hybrid setup, and a dual-clutch, 6-speed automatic transmission. The gasoline engine produces 100 horsepower, while the electric motor provides a temporary boost of 28 horsepower, delivering 12 horsepower during acceleration. The fully electric Grande Panda might inherit the 113 horsepower motor from the EC3, along with its 44.0 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, offering a range of 199 miles. Citroen plans to sell a more affordable 124-mile EC3 starting in 2025. The Grande Panda will not be limited to Europe. Fiat aims to sell this new model in the Middle East and Africa as well.